Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series. This series offers the ultimate beginner's course in learning Afrikaans. Last time we did the diere, the animals. This time we will delve into the Afrikaans sentence structure, struktuur. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy the content. For early access to videos, worksheets and their answers, or just to support us, please visit our Patreon. Les 8. Struktuur. Sentence structure. In Afrikaans, a sentence can consist of only one word, like for example, loop of hoera. Most sentences in Afrikaans, however, consist of the following three subdivisions: Onderwerp, Voorwerp en Gesegde. In this video, we will only be covering the enkelvoudige sin, the simple sentence. Enkelvoudige sin. First, let's do the Gesegde. Gesegde is the verb when dealing with syntax, zinsleer. Differently than in English sentence structure, the verb has a unique name in Afrikaans when talking about syntax, zinsleer. So, the Gesegde deals with the werkwoord or werkwoord groep. Die Gesegde is the action being done in a sentence. Die werk wat gedoen word. Look at the sentence. Johan eet sy kos. The werkwoord is eet. Or, die seun skop die bal. Here, the skop is the werkwoord. Sometimes, a gesegde can consist of a werkwoord plus a hulpwerkwoord. A hulpwerkwoord is a word that needs to be added with a werkwoord. Look at the sentence. Johan sal sy kos eet. The gesegde is sal eet. This is why the gesegde can consist of a group of werkwoorde, a werkwoordgroep. Another example. Die seun sal die bal skop. Gesegde sal skop. Next is the onderwerp. In English, the subject, sometimes also referred to in Afrikaans as die subject, but we will refer to it as die onderwerp. The onderwerp is the one that does the action. If you want to find the onderwerp in a sentence, you can ask who or what plus the gesegde. In Afrikaans, wie of wat plus die gesegde. Let's continue using our example sentence. Wie eet? The answer is Johan eet. Therefore, Johan is the onderwerp. Wie skop? Die seun skop. Die seun is die onderwerp. Next is the voorwerp. In English, the object. Sometimes also in Afrikaans, die object. The voorwerp receives the action. You can ask onderwerp plus gesegde plus who or what. In Afrikaans, onderwerp plus gesegde plus wie of wat. Let's see. Johan eet wat? Sy kos. Therefore, sy kos is the voorwerp. Die seun skop wat? Die bal. Therefore, die bal is the voorwerp. The voorwerp is further divided into the directe and indirekte voorwerp, direct and indirect object. The above examples have been directe voorwerpe. The indirekte voorwerp differs. Let's change the sentence. Die seun skop die bal vir haar. Here we have the same onderwerp, voorwerp en gesegde, but there also is an indirekte voorwerp. Use the question onderwerp plus gesegde plus voorwerp. For or to whom? In Afrikaans, onderwerp plus gesegde plus voorwerp vir wie of aan wie. Insert our example sentence. Die seun skop die bal vir wie? Vir haar. Your indirekte voorwerp is vir haar. Sentences can be made up of both direkte en indirekte voorwerpe, like the above example, or only of one direkte or indirekte voorwerp. Here is a sentence with only an indirekte voorwerp. Hy skryf vir haar. Hy skryf vir of aan wie? Vir haar. By now we can create a very basic sentence in Afrikaans. Die seun skop die bal vir haar. But expanding on it is very simple. Just use the bepalings. There are two bepalings, die bywoordelike bepaling en die byvoeglike bepaling. These are very easy to remember. The names hint at how they appear in sentences. The bywoordelike bepaling is connected to the gesegde through the werkwoord. The bywoordelike bepaling adds more information about the werkwoord, verb. Let's add a bywoordelike bepaling to our sentence. Die seun skop vinnig die bal vir haar. We know our gesegde is skop, and we know that vinnig is adding information about it. You can use any question word in order to find the bywoordelike bepaling. In this case, how? Hoe skop hy? Vinnig. Bywoordelike bepalings can be more than one word. Like for example, die seun skop in die aand die bal vir haar. Here you can ask, when does the boy kick the ball? Wanneer skop die seun die bal? In die aand. That is your bywoordelike bepaling. The byvoeglike bepaling does the same but for naamwoorde, selfstandige naamwoorde en voornaamwoorde, nouns and pronouns. In our sentence, the byvoeglike bepaling adds more information about our voorwerp or onderwerp. Let's see our sentence. Die seun skop die bal vir haar. Add a byvoeglike bepaling and you have, for example, die seun met die blou hemp skop die bal vir haar. A question you can ask here is, watter plus onderwerp of voorwerp? Which plus onderwerp or voorwerp? Which boy? Watter seun? Die seun met die blou hemp. Met die blou hemp is your byvoeglike bepaling. Let's add another byvoeglike bepaling. Die seun met die blou hemp skop die mooi bal vir haar. Watter bal? Which ball? Die mooi bal. Mooi is your byvoeglike bepaling. Now we have all the components that make up a enkelvoudige sin, a simple sentence. A enkelvoudige sin only has one gesegde. As soon as it has more than one gesegde, it no longer is a enkelvoudige sin. We will go over those types of sentences in a later video. Let's go over our example sentence once more time by using the questioning format to identify every sinsdeel, part of the sentence. Die seun met die blou hemp skop in die aand die mooi bal vir haar. Gesegde, what is being done? Wat word gedoen? Geskop. Being kicked. Skop is your gesegde. Voorwerp, who kicks? Wie skop? Die seun skop. Die seun. Onderwerp, the boy kicks what? Die seun skop wat? Die bal. Indirekte voorwerp, the boy kicks the ball to/for who? Die seun skop die bal vir, skynstreep, aan wie? Vir haar. Bywoordelike bepaling, question word plus gesegde, vraagwoord plus gesegde. Wanneer word die bal geskop? In die aand. Eerste byvoeglike bepaling, which boy? Watter seun? Die seun met die blou hemp. Met die blou hemp. Tweede byvoeglike bepaling, which ball? Watter bal? Die mooi bal. Mooi. There we have our whole sentence divided nicely. die seun met die blou hemp skop in die aand die mooi bal vir haar. Thank you for viewing this lesson. We hope you have enjoyed learning about the struktuur of the enkelvoudige sin. Next time we will be covering the vocabulary of the family. If you wish to test yourself about today's episode, you can visit our Patreon for the worksheets with the answers. Early access to videos is also available on the Patreon. To better learn, make sure to watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like the video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or questions can be commented below. Bye.